Welcome to this week's video blog on the law. Many people know that a simple, sincere apology can avoid a lot of legal trouble. Whether you might have caused a car accident, said something defamatory, broken a contract, or perhaps even committed a minor criminal offense, an expression of remorse can go a long way to avoiding a dispute and solving problems. That is why the law in BC encourages people to apologize by ensuring that if they do apologize, it cannot be used against them as proof they did something wrong. This BC law is called the Apology Act and is a very short piece of legislation that very few British Columbians know about. The Apology Act defines an apology as an expression of sympathy or regret, a statement that one is sorry, or any other words or actions indicating contrition or commiseration, whether or not the words or actions admit or imply an admission of fault. The Apology Act states that an apology made by or on behalf of a person does not constitute an express or implied admission of responsibility by that person. Importantly, the law provides an apology cannot be taken into account by any court in determining whether a person is at fault for an event. In other words, an apology cannot be used as evidence in court. For example, if you're in a car accident and you apologize to the other driver cannot raise this apology in court as proof you think you might be at fault for the accident. On another note, some people believe that apologizing for an accident can void their insurance coverage. Generally speaking, insurance policies do require people not to prejudice their insurer's ability to defend them, and if they do, the insurer may be able to avoid providing coverage. The Apology Act, however, provides that an apology cannot void insurance coverage. Lastly, many people know that if you are in an accident, you only have 2 years to file a claim in court to preserve your right to compensation. This is called a limitation period. In some circumstances that we discuss in another blog, the limitation period can be extended beyond 2 years. However, the Apology Act is clear that an apology does not serve to confirm the basis for bringing a claim or postpone the running of the 2-year limitation period. This means that if somebody denies they caused you harm and then later apologizes, your 2-year limitation period runs from the time they caused you harm, not when they later apologize. I hope you've learned something about the law from this blog. Please feel free to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, or subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive notice of future weekly video blogs on the law. Thank you very much.